Welcome back to Great Day. So your friend or family member just got the keys to their new home after months of looking. It's a big deal, right? So you want to get them a housewarming gift. You have no idea what you should choose. Maybe something for the kitchen, maybe the bedroom. I think we've all been in this situation enough times that we could use some help. So that's why we called in an expert to show us some gift ideas. I want you to please welcome to the show Katie Mcfarland right here in the St. Louis area. Katie, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you so much for spending the time to connect with us. All right, show me what you got. Some great products lined
All
up.
right. So you've got people of all different types in your bubble, right? And so the same housewarming gift isn't going to work for everybody. So I've got 6 ideas that I think are sure to please just about anybody in your circle. And the first one actually just happens to be a circle. It is the Ullo wine purifier. So if you know anything about wine, sometimes they add sulfates, which can sometimes give headaches after the fact. The Ullo will purify and separate the sulfites from the wine, bringing the wine back to its natural state. So it's more than just an aerator. This actually can do a whole lot more.
I
So
love
this
that.
little thing is awesome for the wine lover in your family. The next thing is called the CBD pillow. Now, I've slept with this twice, 3 times already, and I can tell you it's amazing. It's gel memory foam, and it's been infused with high quality CBD microcapsules. So what does that mean? It means that it's going to promise for a more relaxing sleep and a more refreshing morning. And I can tell you, it's amazing.
A lot of people
This,
struggling with that right now, so that's great.
oh my God. Yeah. This is available at cbdpillow.com. And Ullo is on amazon.com. I forgot to mention that. All right. The next thing is, I think many of us have that person in your life that can't get a cork out effectively without breaking it. The Chefman cordless electric wine opener is perfect for them. When you're not using it, it sits on its base and charges. And when it's time, you just pop it off, put it on your wine, and it quickly and easily and simply takes that cork out without any wrestling.
Foolproof. I
Fabulous.
love it. Love it. Great
I
idea.
know. The next thing is the Lasko control tower. And there's a better name for it, but that's all I can tell you that it is because it's fabulous. I'm 5'3", so you can see how tall it is. It's slim, it's sleek, it's quiet, but it can keep any space comfortable year-round with its heating and cooling technology. So it's a must for any space when you're in St. Louis.
Katie, these were fantastic products. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
You bet. We appreciate the time. Hey, you can get a link to these items on our website, kmov.com/greatday, right after the show.